Dear seekers of truth, my name is Dave Barkley. Imagine if the catalyst for revolutionizing your life lay dormant within you all along. Envision accessing an abundant reservoir of untapped potential and a hidden wellspring of innate magic nestled deep within your essence. This isn't merely a passing notion or fanciful dream. Rather, it's a burgeoning reality embraced by many amidst the accelerating pace of our ever-changing world. Embark on an inner revolution, a profound voyage of self-exploration steeped in spirituality and esoteric insight. We invite you to witness and seekers across cultures and epochs. Through the simple act of turning inward, we can begin to unravel the layers of conditioning, limitation, and doubt that obscure our true essence. In the stillness of meditation, we discover a sanctuary where the noise of the external world fades away, and the whispers of our inner wisdom become clear. Meditation is the gateway to the profound transformation depicted in our video. It offers a path to connect with the deepest aspects of ourselves, to cultivate inner peace, resilience, and clarity amidst the chaos of modern life. As you watch our exploration unfold, allow yourself to consider the role of meditation in your own journey of self-discovery. Join us on this voyage of inner revolution. Embrace the possibility of unlocking your full potential and embracing the magic that resides within. Watch our video and let it serve as a gentle nudge towards the transformative power of meditation. Are you ready to embark on this profound journey? The first step awaits you. Watch and enjoy the video. And be sure to watch this video until the end. There's a special tool that will help you start your journey towards a new and improved version of yourself.
What if the key to transforming your life was already within you? What if you could tap into a reservoir of untapped potential, a wellspring of latent magic, right at the heart of your very being? This is not a fleeting thought or a whimsical fantasy. It's a reality that many are awakening to, as the pursuit of personal transformation gains momentum in our fast-paced, ever-evolving world. It's an inner revolution, a journey of self-discovery rooted in spirituality and esoteric wisdom. Every individual, it appears, is endowed with an innate capacity for growth, transcendence, even divinity. This inner spark, this divine essence, is the foundation of personal transformation. It is a call to adventure, an invitation to journey inward, to confront fears, doubts, and limiting beliefs, and to reveal the true self. Transformation is not a superficial change. It's a profound shift in consciousness, a shedding of layers, a revelation of essence. And spirituality, with its rich tapestry of traditions and insights, serves as a guiding light on this path. It offers a framework for understanding the interconnectedness of all things and the deeper meaning behind our existence. The esoteric principles that guide this journey are not reserved for mystics alone. They are available to all who approach them with sincerity and dedication. Through practices such as meditation, ritual, and introspection, we can all engage in the inner alchemy necessary for personal transformation. The promise of this journey is liberation. Liberation from the constraints of the ego, the shackles of past traumas, the limitations of the mundane world. It's a journey towards self-mastery and self-transcendence, guided by the understanding that fulfillment comes from realizing our inherent wholeness and completeness. As more individuals embark on this journey, our collective understanding of what it means to be human is reshaping. We are invited to question our perceived reality, to explore the infinite possibilities beyond, and to embrace the magic within us all, our potential, our divinity, our capacity to create a life of meaning and purpose. In an often chaotic and uncertain world, the journey of personal transformation offers a beacon of hope. It's a testament to human resilience, to the enduring power of the human heart. It holds the promise of a brighter, more awakened world, where each person is empowered to shine their light and embody the magic within. In summary, personal transformation is a journey of self-discovery, guided by spirituality and esoteric principles. It requires delving deep into one's being, shedding layers of conditioning, and revealing the divine essence within. It's a process of inner alchemy, leading to liberation and self-transcendence. It's a movement reshaping our understanding of humanity, inviting us to explore the infinite possibilities of our existence and embrace the magic within us all.
Dear esteemed viewers, Dave here again. We extend our heartfelt gratitude for accompanying us on this transformative odyssey of self-discovery. Your presence, attention, and openness are the fuel propelling us forward as we delve into the realms of inner revolution and spiritual exploration. In a world brimming with hustle and bustle, it's easy to overlook the profound treasures nestled within each of us. Yet, here we stand, united in our collective pursuit of unveiling the dormant potential residing within our very beings. Together, we dare to envision a reality where untapped magic and boundless potential await our discovery. The video you've just watched is but a glimpse into this awe-inspiring journey. It serves as a beacon of hope amidst the chaos, reminding us that amidst the whirlwind of life lies the opportunity for profound transformation. As you contemplate the depths of your own essence and the untold possibilities that await, we invite you to take the next step. Click the link in the description box below to explore a proven method of meditation, a powerful tool for unlocking the gates to your inner sanctum. And the best part? It's less than $10, ensuring that this invaluable resource remains accessible to all. Once again, thank you for your presence, your energy, and your willingness to embark on this journey with us. May your path be illuminated by the light of self-discovery, and may you find solace in the boundless depths of your own being.